Okay everyone, so now it's time for exercise 13. In these questions, in the figures, L1 is a line parallel to the x-axis, that means this one, and passing through M, and the coordinates for M is -2 and 3. And here, one more line, okay, L2 is a line parallel to the y-axis and passing through M, alright? So both these two lines passing through point M, okay? And for B, okay, B is an image when a point A and the coordinates of point A is 2, 5 is reflected in L1. Okay, so the question tells you that, okay, for point B is not shown in the figures, okay. B is the image when a point A, that means this one, point A is reflected in L1, okay, reflected in L1. So let's see for part A. Part A, it asks you to find the coordinates of B. Okay, it asks you to find the coordinates of B. So let's see what is the meanings of reflected in L1. Okay, what is the meanings of reflected in L1? So if we have the question like this, in this times we can consider L1. Okay, we can consider L1 just like the center or the mirror. Okay, or the mirror of point A. Okay, so that means now point B is the reflections. Okay, point B is the reflections of point A. So I give you point B here, and which means that the perpendicular distance, okay, the perpendicular distance, this distance is equals to the distance between L1 and point B. Okay, and also here you can see, okay, that means the distance between L1 and B equals to the distance between A and L1. Okay, so for these lines, I can say that because L1, okay, L1 is the horizontal line. Okay, L1 is the horizontal line, and also L1 passing through point A. So for the equations of L1 should be y equal to 3. Y equals to 3. That means any points in L1, the y coordinates of every point in L1 should equals to 3。即係話你依家咧任何一個點喺 L1 上面咧，佢哋嘅呢一個 y coordinate 咧，永遠都係等於翻呢個3嚟嘅。OK， 永遠都要等於翻呢個3。OK， so now we try to calculate the distance between point A and also L1. Alright, so for part A, we write down the distance. Okay, distance between A and the coordinates of A is 2, 5 and also L2. Okay, we try to find the distance and it should be 5. Okay, because 5 is the y coordinates of A. Okay, so we can write down 5 minus 3. Okay, 5 minus 3 equals to 2 units. Okay, that means the distance between A and L2. Okay, so let me write it down. Here, this one, the distance is 2. So, which means the distance between point B and L1 should also equals to 2. Okay, 2 units. Alright, so in this time, I try to write down. Therefore, coordinates of B. Okay, coordinates of B is equals to, so as I mentioned before, the x coordinate, okay, the x coordinates of point A and also point B should be equal. Okay, should be equal. Okay, both of these 2 points, the x coordinate should be equals to 2, and one thing is changed. That is the y coordinate. 亦即係話佢哋兩個嘅呢一個 x coordinate 咧係冇變嘅，變嘅就係呢個 y coordinate。So the y coordinate should be equals to the y coordinates of L1, okay, that is 3, and 3 minus 2, okay, 3 minus 2, because 2 is the distance between L1 and also point B, okay, so 3 minus 2, and the result should be equals to 2, 1. Okay, so that 2, 1, that is the coordinates of point B. Okay, the coordinates of point B. So in part A, I use the methods that is the distance. Okay, the distance. That means if the point is reflected along L1. Okay. So here you can see point B is the reflections of point A. So it's the distance between point A and L1 is equals to the distance between L1 and B. Okay, so now we finish part A first.